Ciao! Come with us to Vittoria in the province of Ragusa. We follow JoAnn and her husband Ray Stiles as they visit their ancestral home for the very first time. JoAnn's father, Alessandro Giudice, was born in Sicily and in 1955 left with his siblings to the United States of America. He met his wife, settled, and established a family in Brooklyn, New York. He became a hairdresser but kept in touch with his friends and family here in Sicily. Today we walk along with one of his childhood friends as he takes us around town, including meeting the mayor. It's going to be a great show. Come with us. This is St. John the Baptist, same patron saint as Architecture. How does it feel to walk on the streets your dad walked on?
It's amazing. It really is. I advise anybody who has family, you ever make a trip, you have to come to your ancestral home to see, because it's a feeling that I can't describe unless you're here. It's the most rewarding thing you could ever do for yourself.
Hello. Ciao.
Ciao.
Alessandro's best friend, very good friend.
Yes.
Questa è la chiesa madre, la
Mother
chiesa madre di
Church.
Giovanni Battista. La chiesa, diciamo, ce ne sono tante chiese.
Oh my. This is breathtaking. Wow. Chiesa madre.
Alessandro è una persona squisita,
An exquisite
una
person.
persona di cuore,
Of heart.
affettuoso.
Affettuoso is loving.
Okay.
Very loving.
Io, diciamo, questo è un dono che dà Gesù Cristo, di rispettare sempre le persone
Jesus
e
Christ
di
said
avere
always respect
rispetto
people.
verso le altre persone. Questa è un'altra
That's what
cosa
your
bella.
dad gave you, passed on.
Alessandro per me più di un fratello,
Sì.
più di un fratello, perché eravamo sempre insieme,
They were always together.
sì, da ragazzini,
Since
a
they
scuola
were young.
insieme.
Oh, they went to school
Oh,
together.
yes, at school, yes. Al lavoro insieme, e così continuava la nostra vita. Poi,
E tu come senti quando lui è andata via per America?
ma mi ha fatto piacere perché lui andava in America,
I asked him how he felt.
però io non ci potevo andare.
You didn't want to leave.
He couldn't go.
Però ci sentavamo tramite telefono.
They used to talk on
sempre.
the
Yes,
phone.
Oh!
Beautiful. What a magical moment. Your dad smiling. Alessandro è qua.
Ah sì!
Spirito è qua.
yes. Da giovane Vittoria, come
Sì, Vittoria is very
fondazione.
young.
Yes.
Nel 1630-24.
1630.
E
So
il
young.
nome che ha fondato
The name
Vittoria,
of Vittoria.
quel nome, è Vittoria Colonna si chiamava. Vittoria Colonna.
Questa è la casa di Alessandro.
Sì, qua abitava.
Sent it to my aunt. This is where he left. It's before he came to America. He left his life behind here. His friends, Umberto, his life that he knew it, to go to some place that he never knew, where he was ever going to go, and finally went to.
Stranger in a strange land.
Stranger, yes, exactly. My dad, loving, family, faith, God, respect, hardworking, extremely hardworking, and supported and did everything he could for his family. I had a very close relationship with him. He was a very good father. Excellent.
And here you are in the house
Yes.
where he was born.
Yes, the house that he was born. I can't believe it. I could just picture him walking up and down these streets. And the family.
Since 1932, this birthplace has been here. So JoAnn's dad left in 55. There's a big probability that he came here to get bread right after church. And I'm told the bread here is very different from the bread by us. Scacce.
Focaccia, sì.
E questa scaccia no?
Queste, sì. Queste patate e pomodoro e cipolla.
Sì.
Quelle
Melanzana.
ricotta, cipolla e prezzemolo fresco.
E questo pane come chiama?
Scagnato.
Scagnato. E perché scagnato?
Perché è fatto con una farina speciale. Quello è il pane tipico di Vittoria. Solo a Vittoria questo tipo
Wow,
di
this
pane.
bread is only from Vittoria. And you remember some kind of bread like this,
This one,
huh?
I remember this bread.
Wow, your mom?
They would buy it.
No. Che sei zitto?
Sì, ma avete appuntamento?
No, è da solo. A New York. Sono di New York.
It looks like we're gonna get to meet the mayor. And here we are in the mayor's office. È bello. There's San Giovanni Battista. And there's the mayor.
Per esempio, questa è come fosse la figlia di un mio fratello, diciamo.
Che non me ne parlava, la giorno al bar tu forse.
Sì, la aspettavo a loro.
Sì,
a loro.
aspettavo loro.
Questo è l'onorevole, ora fa il sindaco, ma è onorevole Aiello.
Mayor.
Mayor.
Grazie, Mayor. I feel very importante.
Brava. You are very importante.
Grazie, importa.
Che figo.
Oh, they're not gonna want to leave each other. That's the theater we saw. Wow. Giovanni.
Di due.
You're gonna have to get that framed. You feel?
Oh, this is a dream. This is like amazing. Amazing.
And of course, the one I got is Saint John the Baptist. Un grande, grande piacere per noi. Grazie, 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 veramente. What a beautiful room. I've been with JoAnn 16 days, and I've never heard her not have words
I'm
for this.
speechless.
Questo qua, Giovanni.
San Giovanni Battista.
Sì.
Qua chiamavano la domenica, facevano un birthplace per celebrare dei contadini.
It's almost like it's slippery over here. Why do you think your dad and his family left?
I think I think people told them what a better life maybe in America is for work and to prosper there, more so in the USA. So they decided to leave for money reasons.
Did he miss Sicily?
Oh yes. Everything that he was born from and learned from here, he took to the USA.
Piazza del Bocciolo.
Qua c'è il teatro
Oh, there's the
della
theater.
chiesa, teatro comunale. Bello.
E questa chiesa
Chiesa Madonna delle Grazie si chiama.
Listen to this. Umberto actually got a chance to go to New York and visit Alessandro. Now, here's a tidbit about him. He's one of the best-known hairdressers in that area. He even had a hairdressing school, so quite a guy.
Venivano tanti professionisti, ho avuto la scuola di parrucchieri per 27 anni.
For 27 years he taught
Scuola
how to-
di giuste per tagliare i capelli,
cut hair.
27 anni.
Wow.
Però i negozi che avevo io erano frequentati da professionisti,
The shop that he had a lot of
avvocati, professori,
professionals,
ingegneri,
a lot of
ecco
engineers,
questo.
a lot of attorneys.
Questo qua.
So important people in Victoria. In fact, he is one of the most important hairdressers in all of Vittoria.
Wow.
Certo, scendeva perché c'era, non potevamo andare, c'eravamo di qua e c'era la chiesa, perché abitavano proprio vicino qua.
Even though there are many churches here, people went to the church closest to their home. So now we're going to see.
Che ora c'è una festa, sì,
Che festa?
festa del Sacro Cuore, del Santo qua, di questa chiesa.
And this was the church JoAnn's dad went to and probably baptized. Your dad loved farming, right?
Yes.
And Ragusa's and this area is known for farming.
And he loved eggplant. Eggplant was his favorite vegetable in the world, eggplant. Loved it. And raisins and all that good stuff.
And he had a fig tree.
He had a fig tree in Brooklyn. Loved his fig tree. Planted tomatoes, basil.
Justice of the Peace.
Justice of the Peace.
And that's your last name?
Giudice.
Giudice.
I spelled that
And
right.
here we are at the Polizia di Vittoria. Pasticceria Vittoria.
Pasticceria Vittoria.
Qual è più tipico da questa zona?
Ora noi vi prepariamo i cannoli tipici.
E altra cosa che è tipici?
Maritozzi, romani,
Castatelli.
sfogliatella Napoli, Roma e Lecce, leccese, pugliese.
There's
You want to make one table?
this is what you have to do. You have to try the local stuff. What do you think?
Delicious.
How's your trip been?
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Tell me some
It
of
was
the
a great
highlights.
day. Meeting the mayor, I mean, who meets the mayor of the town? But I would say the highlights was definitely that, but just walking where my father was and seeing where he lived, where he went to church, where he worked. From hearing all those stories that he told us all those years, and finally being here. I wish he was here, but he's definitely here with me.
He's definitely.
But it was an amazing experience. I loved every minute of it.
Buon appetito. No, piccola. Via Cavour, this is the strada principale, the main street.
Di Vittoria. La strada principale.
Cavour, that's where
Ora-
JoAnn's dad and
ora
Alessandro
ci hanno
cut
messo
hair.
una gioielleria.
Now it's a
Ora ci hanno
jewelry
messo una
shop.
gioielleria, però eravamo qua a lavorare. Qua.
And on the main
Sì, sì.
street in Vittoria,
Sì, sì.
prime spot. He was 16. There were young kids cutting hair.
In trouble.
Huh?
There were young kids in trouble, I bet.
Ragazzini.
Ask him how many girlfriends my father had.
Lei vuole sapere se il padre ha un fidanzato, qualche donna? No.
Okay. He's not saying nothing. He's going to get himself in trouble.
How old were your parents when they got married?
20. My mother was 21. I think my father was 24.
So your mom from Bari,
Yes.
and they came back.
They came for the honeymoon to Italy.
Dove c'è quel portone? Accanto.
Good news, our 2025 tours are up and we're excited to announce already February, May, June, and October we have small group tours.
They're online too. www.youmeandsicily.com. Just click the icon that says 2025 tours. You're there, and we hope to see you here.
Your lunch is ready.
Oh, grazie.
La prossima volta,
Ray,
next week, no, next week, no,
Next time.
next, come
Next
è?
year.
next time,
Next
next time.
Next year.
Vi aspetto,
Sì.
però in cambio di stare, non so, 2 ore, stiamo anche una giornata,
Let's do
mezzogiornata,
a
una
whole
giornata.
day together.
Yes.
E vi faccio vedere un po' piccolo paese, però c'è la villa comunale, il teatro, ci sono tante cose un pochettino. E stiamo insieme, andiamo al ristorante, prendiamo quello che vogliamo.
Eat at a restaurant
quello che
next time.
vogliamo.
Yes.
Non lo so, ciao. Ciao, ciao, mi saluti tanto la mamma,
Sì.
un forte abbraccio da Umberto, che lei mi conosce. Mi conosce.
I think I feel sad for my dad and his family for leaving, uplifting their whole life from what they knew to come to America and to leave what they know, leave their home. I think that's sad.
What are your memories of your grandfather?
Oh, my grandfather, he was a great man. He would want you to eat everything off your dish. That's number one. And he had this mustache that used to go like this, and he used to go like that. He used to always, I remember that mustache that he always used to play with. But he was just like my father, very loving, caring man. Loved his family, very important.
Hey, over here is Napolitano, but it's okay. What did you think about Sicily?
I love Italy. I love Europe.
What do you think of Sicily?
Beautiful. Bello, molto bello.
Molto bello. A man of few words, but boy,
Yes.
when sometimes the zingers. Beautiful olive tree, grapevines.
You know, the area around Victoria, which in today's video Esther featured, that's a terrific area for wine. The whole countryside is dotted with different types of vineyards. Some of them are terrific. That whole area is a very nice thing. I've been to Victoria several times, and the thing that impresses me about that particular town is the grid-like layout of its roads, its interior streets. They either go up and down or this way. Kind of looks like an enormous tic-tac-toe board, and at the end of every block, there's a street, okay? Except there's no stop signs in the whole town. So at the end of every block, you have to kind of like put your heart in your mouth, come to a stop, and look both ways, because you don't know which way the car is coming, because they alternate whether it's going to be this way or that way. However, the most beautiful thing in Victoria is a corner, and you can find it, where it's a big empty building with two murals on it, enormous murals. One has got Che Guevara, remember Che Guevara? On one side, masterfully done, and the other one's got Mother Teresa, or Padre Pio, I can't remember. But think about the juxtaposition that the artist did in Victoria. Truly a magnificent little town. Don't stay all day though. 2 hours, you ought to be able to see it pretty well.
Visiting ancestral homes with our clients turned friends is one of my favorite things to do, and I hope you get a chance to come here to Sicily and do it yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and of course, we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Arrivederci. Ciao.